Question number 18. X Limited just declared a dividend of rupees 14 per share. D0 is 14. Mr. B is planning to purchase the share of X Limited, anticipating the increase in the growth rate from 8% to the 9%. Means till now it is 8%. From here onwards, it will increase by 9%. Okay. So, which will continue for the period of 3 years. And also, he also expects the market price of this share is 360 after the 3 years. You are required to determine that the maximum amount Mr. B should pay for the shares if he requires a rate of return of 13% per annum. 13% per annum, what would be the price he has to pay today? So what we has to do, whatever the cash flows of the company, the dividends as well as the price at the end of the year 3, everything we keep, and we has to discount it by using the 13% KE, present value factor at a 13%, and we will be getting the what is the price at the end of year 0. Okay. So what is the dividend now, which is 14. D1 is the 14 plus 9%. D2 is that first year dividend plus 9%. Okay, but like that we has to keep. So what it is coming, 14 into 1.09, which comes to 15.26. 16.63. Okay, 14 into 1.09 power square, which provides you the 16.63, and 14 rupees into 1.09 power cube, which provides you the 18.13. So we have to enter all the cash flows, and at the end of the year 3, the price will be 360 rupees. If we discount by using the discount rate which is provided here now, 0.885, 0.783, and 0.693, and also for the year 3 also we have to give this discount rate 0.693, and if the discounted cash flows will be the discounted cash flows total will be the 288.56. okay, that is the maximum price he will be paying, Mr. B will be paying. Okay, second question is that the maximum price Mr. B will be willing to pay for the share if he is the option that the 9% growth can be maintained indefinitely and require the 13% rate of return per annum. Means இப்போ வந்து growth rate 3 years மட்டும் தான் கண்டினியூ ஆகும்னு சொல்லிருக்காங்க. If it is grows constantly, means constant every year வந்து 9% தான் grow ஆகும்னு சொன்னாங்கன்னா we can apply the Gordon's formula itself. Okay, if it is constant growth only, we can apply the Gordon's formula. So we can identify at the end of year 1 onwards the constant growth is 9%. So what we have to do, P0 equal to D1 divided by KE minus G formula apply பண்ணிக்கலாம், which is P0 D1, what is the D1? 14 into 1.09 divided by KE. KE is the 13% minus the growth rate, which is 9%. Okay, if we apply this formula, means 14 into 1.09 divided by 13 minus 9%, which provides you the 381.50. 381.50. Okay, next the price of the share at the end of 3 years, if 9% growth rate is achieved and assuming the other conditions remaining the same as the above time. If the growth rate is 9% is achieved after 3 years, what will be the price? If the growth rate is 9% constant, now we have identified for the price at the end of year 0, but they are telling us to calculate for the price at the end of year 3. Okay, if we want to identify for the price at the end of year 3, means P3 equal to D4 divided by KE. D4 எப்படி நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்கிறது, which is the 18.13 multiplied by 1.09, that will provide you the D4. okay, that will provide you the D4, which is 18.13 multiplied by 1.09, that provides you the 19.76 divided by KE minus G, which is 13% minus the 9%, which is the 4%. Totally it provides you the 494. Okay.